Here's all you'll need: some tasty little pasty treats, some butter, some French Brie, some salsa. You can of course make your own salsa, self-raising flour and some milk. First thing we're going to do is make the pastry. So get your flour into a bowl, go in with a good pinch of salt, chop your butter up, get that into there, then get it all mixed until it resembles breadcrumbs. Once your butter's mixed in, it's time to start pouring in the milk. Pour in your milk a bit at a time and get it mixed in. And then you end up with something like that. Put your dough to one side, and now you've got the tricky bit of getting all the gooey goodness out of the middle of the brie. Then cut it up, because it's easier to take the skin off little chunks than it is the whole thing. So with your little ones, just take the skin off those and place them onto a plate. Them all a similar size, about 1 centimetre. With your cheese cut and ready, it's time to sprinkle your side with some of your self-raising flour. And then drop onto there your bowl of dough. And give that a little knead so it all comes together nicely, and then cut it in half, otherwise your work surface won't be big enough. And then you're going to roll it out till it's about 3mm thick. Once you roll it out, get your little template, which in this case is a bowl, and cut round it. It to be about 14 centimetres diameter. And there you go, and we want 3 of them. There's your 3. Take up the excess dough, which can always be used of course, and then do the same with the other half. Once you've got your circles, now we're going to get on with the filling. Just go around the edge with some water. Then into there with a tablespoon of salsa. Just spread that out, but leave a gap at the edge.
Very good, bro.
Thank you.
I'm going to do big ones now.
And onto there with the cheese. Because we're making 6, use a 1/6 of the cheese you've cut, which in my case happens to be 6.
To be 6, bro, you need to be
Then
14.
Fold it over and press it down
And bro,
so that the air has left it, and then press all the edges with a fork. You'll get a bit of your salsa coming out because that's the air coming out with it. Don't worry about it. And that is ready for the fryer. You can either deep fry them or fry them in a pan with about 1/2 inch, 1 centimetre of oil. I'm going to deep fry mine. When your oil's up to temperature, about 150 degrees you want. Don't have it too hot, otherwise the pastry will get brown too quick and the cheese won't have time to melt in the middle. So get it up to speed and then it goes for 1 or 2 minutes. When your pasties have nicely browned,
Yeah.
turn them out
Turn me out.
onto some kitchen paper to drain, then put them on a cooling rack, or you can cover them with foil if you want to keep them warm, and get on with the next 2. When your pasties have cooled down a bit so they're nice and warm still, time to cut them in half and bite in and enjoy.